Labubu dolls were flying off the shelves during a shopping live stream in London on Tuesday, November 11th, as Alibaba's AliExpress brought China's Singles Day shopping frenzy to Britain, tapping into the worldwide craze for collectible Pop Mart toys. Pop Mart's Labubu, Crybaby, and Skull Panda dolls, sold in sealed blind boxes that conceal which figurine is inside, have become a global hit, fueling a surge in revenue for the Beijing-based company, which is borrowing from the Disney playbook to turn the trend into long-term growth.
Look at the packaging. Oh, this. It's like a. Oh my god! It's like a little party bag. That is so cute. Look at the little pants. Oh my.
And that one is metal as well.
It's metal, so you can attach it to your bag or your. Imagine this on your key rings, on your little car keys. It's so too. Just like hanging there.
That had a big, massive guys. All the other ones, come the shape,
Which is just amazing. Who wouldn't want that?
AliExpress hired 23-year-old British influencer Anna Williams, who has 1.3 million followers on TikTok, to co-host 4 daily 2-hour live streams with fellow influencer Mary Forhee on its AliExpress app. The platform expects the campaign to generate sales of around 10,000 toys by Friday, November 14. Sales on the platform's official Pop Mart store in the UK soared 1,500% in October compared to a year ago, according to Bonnie Zhao, general manager at AliExpress UK, while overall sales of collectible toys were up 300% in the first half of this year. Broadcasting in front of a display of Pop Mart toys, he opened mystery boxes and showed viewers products including Labubu, Why So Serious clown dolls, and blueberry-scented Hacipupu gummy bear dolls, priced from £11 to £74, $15 to $99. The toys have become fashion accessories, often worn as decorations on bags, with a thriving resale market. Live stream shopping started in China, but Western brands such as Zara and IKEA have also adopted the format, which aims to entertain shoppers and boost sales with well-known hosts offering special deals.
And you got Ghosty. Oh, that is so cute. There's so many different ones as well that you can get, which I love because it's just I can't explain the feeling of when you don't know what you're opening and you don't know which one you have. It's the best.